The holiday season is in full swing, and it's the perfect time to spread joy with thoughtful gifts. This year, it's entirely possible to give heartwarming gifts that show you care without straining your budget. Here are 5 low-cost gift ideas to make the holidays memorable for your loved ones. Delight your loved ones with a personal touch by baking homemade treats. Whether it's cookies, fudge, granola, or a personal favorite, a batch of handcrafted goodies wrapped in festive packaging makes for a delicious and thoughtful gift. Tap into your creative side by crafting personalized gifts. Consider making custom candles, photo frames, or even a scrapbook filled with cherished memories. The effort you put into creating something unique will undoubtedly be appreciated. Bring a touch of nature into someone's home with a small indoor plant or succulent. Not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but they also have mood-boosting benefits. Choose a plant that's easy to care for, making it a lasting reminder of your thoughtful gesture. In the digital age, subscriptions to streaming services, audiobook platforms, or online magazines can make wonderful and budget-friendly gifts. Select a service that aligns with the recipient's interests, providing them with entertainment or knowledge throughout the year. Create a booklet of personalized coupons offering your time and assistance. Whether it's a free night of babysitting, a homemade dinner, or help with household chores, these coupons allow you to give the gift of your time and support. Remember, the holidays are about the joy of giving, and thoughtful gestures often hold more value than expensive presents. And if you're looking to give more personalized financial guidance this festive season, feel free to reach out to us at 678-539-9518 for a complimentary consultation. We're here to help you navigate the holiday season without compromising your financial well-being. Wishing you a happy and budget-friendly holiday season.